Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Chelsea if you are new here, and this is Chelsea's channel. I am going to make a video today that's going to be really quick, but I've been dying to make this video. I am unboxing my new pair of clear Zara shoes. I bought them to replace my old Steve Madden shoes. I have these guys right here. A lot of people I know have them. The reason why I want to replace these is because they don't have a lot of cushion right here and they hurt a lot. So after a while when I wear them and I've been standing up and I didn't really sit down, the bottom of my feet start to hurt and kind of burn. So I figured it's time to replace these and get some new ones. All right, here we go. Anybody else use scissors? My box cutter's downstairs. I've been dying for these shoes. I went and picked them up from the mall on Saturday and I wanted to video me opening them, so I decided to wait until I got here with you guys so we could share in this together. All right, we're open. Here we go. Alright, so here they are. They come in these little Zara shoe bags. Let's open them. Ooh, so far so good. You see that cushion right there? How it's a little bit thicker? I think that's why I'm gonna like these a little bit better. I also think I'm gonna like these because they don't have a strap on the back. I could just slide my foot in and out, and that's easier because my house has a lot of stairs, and so going up and down the stairs is just easier without heels, so I can just carry these and walk up and down the stairs. Let's try them on. So I'm gonna leave the tag on them just in case I need to take them back to the store, but let's give them a try. So far so cute. One thing about my feet, I have very skinny feet. That's like a huge problem for me. Like, most people don't want to have skinny feet if you do have them. But the problem is I can't quite decide what size shoe I wear. If I wear an 8.5 or a 9. So I always buy a 9 because I like the shoes to be a little bit bigger than not. But if you can see, this shoe's a little big around this part, but I think it'll be okay because you can't really see it, and my foot has room to walk and bend easier. So I think we'll go ahead and keep these. They seem pretty nice. I like the cushion. So yeah, these are winners. These are definitely keepers. I'm gonna put them in my collection. I'm gonna donate the other Steve Madden shoes that I had and get rid of those because those hurt my feet really bad. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then give it a thumbs down. Whatever makes you happy. I'm gonna go ahead and put these shoes on the shelf right now with my others. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more fun videos like this, and I will catch you later.